Hello, today I'll show you how you can put the screen protector on your HUAWEI Mate 40 Pro. So at the first we have to turn off our screen, and what do we need? Of course the screen protector, and it will be really good if you have the duct tape to take off some pieces of the dust after the cleaning with wipes. So let's start by opening our box, and what we can find inside. Okay, as you can see here we got the stickers. So in this type you don't have to take your own duct tape, but if you don't have it, you have to bring it, but whatever. So right now let's open the wet and dry wipes. We are going to start with cleaning by wet, and after that we are going to finish with dry. So as you can see, our screen is very dirty and we have to clean it. So let's start. Okay, we are almost finished. And if you see any piece of the dust, like in this place, just take it off. Okay. And right now I can recommend you to take this sticker, open it, and keep it on one of your finger, like that, for example. And now just take a look on the screen. I see something right here. And also here in this place. Okay, so right now we can open our screen protector, and unfortunately we got the flat version of the screen protector, but you know, it's still worth to get it because you don't have any scratches or the breaks at this section of the screen. Of course, edges are still in the dangerous, but if you don't have enough money for the curve, or you're afraid of apply this kind of screen protector because it's not that easy as a flat, you can get this one. Okay, and right now we can open our screen protector. Do it slowly. Right now just take a look at the screen. Okay, it's clear, there's no any dust, so you can put it like that. Start from the top section of the screen, and after that we have to press with our finger right here. Do it slowly. And right now just put it like that. Probably in the edges we'll still get some air under the screen protector because the screen is curved. Right now we can just press it with our finger. Just press it to take it off. Okay, and as you can see here we get some kind of the mess, so we have to take the dry wipe and then just take it off. And then try to put it one more time. We'll see what is going to happen. And as you can see, it's still right here, right? So it's not the air. I think it's just bad quality of glue. And as you can see, it's finished. So right now we are able to use our smartphone. Of course, as I said before, the flat version of this protector is not the best, but it still protects our screen from scratches and any breaks in this section, right? So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!